As we continue through our menu system, handling the exit option with break, running the full automatic simulation for option 1, and moving into manual entity creation mode for option 2, after creating our entity and setting up our created entities list, we encounter a fundamental loop control mechanism for cycle in range 10. So we're demonstrating the range function here, which is Python's tool for generating sequences of numbers that enable precise loop control and counting operations, perfect for creating controlled iteration patterns. Let's talk about how range 10 works. Range 10 generates a sequence of numbers from 0 to 9, 10 total numbers, starting with 0. The for loop uses these numbers as cycle values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, onward. Each iteration, the variable cycle takes the next number in the sequence, creating exactly 10 observation cycles with predictable counting. The concept of number sequence generation for controlled iteration enables precise loop behavior. Instead of infinite loops or arbitrary repetition, range provides exact control over how many times operations repeat. So we've got the iteration pattern here, which you can see on the screen. Notice the cycle +1 in the print statement. This converts zero-based counting 0 to 9 to human-friendly counting 1 to 10 for display purposes. The range function provides precise iteration control, exactly 10 cycles, no more, no less, for when contextually you need it that way or want it that way. Predictable counting, sequential numbers for systematic operations, zero-based indexing, programming standard counting that starts at 0, and professional loop control with scientific software that runs predetermined observation sequences. In our case, it's giving us this reliable 4D entity manifestation tracking.